there's a $20 billion market that almost nobody is talking about, and it's the portable car and home stereo market. Now, there's some brands that are absolutely printing and some ads that are literally making six figures, just one single ad, almost seven figures even. And I'm going to show you all of that today. So first and foremost, here's one of the brands that is actually dominating this market. It's the AutoCast brand. They have some super cool products and viral videos that I want to show you. But the first thing that I actually want to show you is the market, right? So the car stereo market size alone is expected to reach 18 billion. It's at 10 to 12 billion in 2024. And then there's also the portable home stereo market, which is about 7 to 8 billion. So combined, we got a 20 billion market on our hands, which is pretty big if you ask me. Now, the reason why these markets are blowing up is because, well, let's just start with the car one, for example. A lot of people are buying older cars because cars are getting super expensive. And even though people have older cars, they still want modern technology and modern, UXs in their car. And that's where these come in. Now, AutoCast in particular is actually getting a ton of traffic super consistently, like 450,000 monthly visitors. I'm guessing this brand alone is doing about 4 to 5 million a month. We don't know for sure, but that's just my estimate. And then there's a ton of really interesting TikTok videos right now that are going extremely viral that I want to share with you. So that's one of the reasons why it's actually exploding so much, is because, like I said, cars are getting expensive. People have older cars that they want to upgrade, and there's a lot of options now. So let me show you one of these viral ads, which has actually been doing very well. This ad alone has made $91,000 in the last 30 days. So yeah, 13 million views. It's crazy. So let's just take a look super briefly. Okay, hold on. Wait a second.
An ad for a CarPlay thing. That's my daughter's truck. It's
okay,
old.
hold on. Let me rewind this.
This is an ad for a CarPlay thing. That's my daughter's truck. It's old. It was built before Apple. So she doesn't have CarPlay. But now she does, because old ass truck.
One first thing I want to say is I love the hook where she's like, this is an ad for a CarPlay thing. That just feels so relatable and transparent, and that cuts through the noise of ads, and that's part of the reason why this is doing so well.
New CarPlay device. It's plug and play to set up. I'm dumb and I figured it out. Your car needs an aux cable for this one, and then you plug that in, and then it works.
This just feels so relatable, right? And this is one of the cool things about TikTok is you get to see some really incredible marketing that you don't really see anywhere else.
Ta-da! This one also comes with a backup camera that I was not smart enough to install by myself, so my husband will help with that. Unless I just broke it. It comes with several options for
This lady's pretty funny.
This is the one she's not using that you suction to your windshield. What's the one she is using look like? She's using it. I can't show it to you. Anyway, do you have an old ass car? Would you like to have CarPlay in your old ass car? There's the link.
That's it. CTA, good hook, sharing the problem. The car is old, but she wants CarPlay. She doesn't have CarPlay. Here's CarPlay. Boom. Transformation. And then CTA at the end. This is honestly the winning ad formula. So this is for this particular product. This one right here. Like I said, it's just a CarPlay. It's pretty simple, and it's got this dash cam as well. So pretty cool. Now you see on TikTok Shop, the only difference that I will say with TikTok Shop versus your own Shopify store, and why I actually think Shopify is better, is because on Shopify you can control the customer experience a lot more. So you can, for example, sell things at a premium, or you can, for example, add more products to your store and sell them via email, right? So let's say you sold this product, or let's just say even you sell this product, you can probably easily source this. This isn't really from any sort of brand, so you can probably source this on TeamDrop for the same price or less, and list it on your Shopify store. And you could acquire customers through this, and then through that email list that you're building of customers, and even a newsletter that you can build from people that don't shop, you can continuously sell them other products in this particular market. There's tons of products in this market. Like I said, there's two sides to this coin, right? There's the car market, and then there's also the home stereo market. So I have another product here that I found super interesting. that is literally, this video is one of the best performing videos that I've seen on TikTok, actually. So it's done 700,000 in the last 30 days, which is crazy, right? 700K from just one video. So let me show you what it is.
This is ridiculously a good speaker.
This is a Harman Kardon
It's so
Onyx Studio
simple.
8 Bluetooth speaker, and anyone getting this for this deal tonight, just know you're getting an absolute screaming deal. Look at the link; it's usually $500.
That's the other thing about TikTok Shop is there's a lot of angles that are just basically about deals. It's like, get this deal now, like shop right now. It's very much impulse driven. And that's one of the things that actually people don't know, but you can do that on Shopify too. You can make your Shopify experience a little bit more seamless than most people think. You can lead people straight to a product page and then lead them straight to checkout. That's one of the things we've been doing on some of the demo stores inside the Shopee Lab Accelerator that has actually been increasing our conversion rate significantly. So in a recent video I made, I showed you a store that I got to 1K profit day, and it was just a demo store that I made. That store has like a 6% conversion rate, and we're doing this exact thing. We're actually copying the TikTok Shop model of like impulse buys and making people go straight to checkout. But yeah, you see, this is a very simple video, and this product in particular is a little bit different. So this one is this, where did it go? So yeah, this Harman Kardon Onyx Studio speaker. And this is actually an independent brand, but what I wanted to mention about this one is that it's being sold on the JBL Audio TikTok Shop. So JBL is a huge stereo brand, right? So they sell all kinds of stereos. And if we take a look at their traffic, we can see, you know, they're doing like 7.3 million monthly visitors. Insane amount of traffic. And in the US, they're pretty much in every retailer as well. So they got pretty much all the markets cornered. And what I noticed about this, like I just said, is that on TikTok Shop, their best product is this Harman Kardon speaker. So, you know, this isn't a JBL branded speaker. I believe, let me see, Harman Kardon. I actually don't know. I don't know. Yeah, they're their own independent brand. So you see these guys have their own speakers, but they're also sold. Oh, I reached my limit. But they're also sold on TikTok Shop through JBL. I just find that really interesting. And I've never really seen that before on TikTok Shop. So it's kind of one of those, well, actually, I have seen that before. QVC does that exact same thing. But it also kind of just leads me to think, like, honestly, on Shopify, you can build your own JBL, right? Like, you can sell other brands' products on your store too, and sneak in your own products within there too that are your own brand, that are higher margin products. But you can use other brands' products to attract buyers. There's an app that allows you to do this on Shopify called Collective, and it's something, again, that I did. I have a course around some of this stuff, but like literally, it's just what I just mentioned. It's called Collective, Shopify Collective. Now, the portable car stereo specifically, like that specific trend, you can just see just through the search volume, it's consistently rising. So, of course, we have the data on the overall market, but you can just clearly see there's demand behind these things, and it's not going to stop anytime soon. I mean, it will stop maybe once people stop buying cars, which at some point that may happen, right? Whenever we have self-driving cars, maybe Waymo is going to take over the world, and we will not own cars anymore, which in some ways could be pretty cool. But I think, yeah, that's pretty far away still. So you got a lot of time. In fact, I think this is going to continue to grow pretty consistently, just like this, just like what we're seeing right here, because a lot of people are opting in for older cars. People don't want to pay expensive prices for new cars, but they want the newest tech. Now, another interesting product in here is just this one. It's kind of like a CarPlay, I guess, and I don't really know how this one works exactly, but it's doing $1 million a month. So let me show you.
So what's the difference between the 2024 model, the 2025, and the 2026? Well, the 2024 model was known to overheat and turn slow. And when you plug in the 2025 in your UBS port, it blocks the port.
So it's for cars that do have USB and do have a display. So it just turns it into CarPlay enabled. A little bit different, but again, all of this can be harnessed within just one like marketplace, right? Your own Shopify store. And like I mentioned, you can use TeamDrop to source products like this. I would recommend you just make a free account and contact them on WhatsApp and just literally screenshot the products from TikTok Shop and ask them if they can source them for you. I've done this literally like dozens of times, and they're always able to find all of the TikTok Shop products, especially the ones that are coming from like random brands like this. That's, that's not really like a brand. So that's pretty cool. And I would suggest you do that. You can do that through two ways. Obviously, I'll leave a link in the description, or you can make a free account in ShoppyLab.ai. It's my software platform. It's free to use. We do have paid tools like, some of the tools that we pay to provide. But here's the thing. It does save you over $400 a month in software costs. So all these softwares that we put together here, we basically are putting them together for you, but you can buy them separately from other providers and it will cost you over $400 a month. So for here, it costs you a fraction of that, and you also get a bunch of other cool stuff. But you can literally make a free account, and you can go to ShoppyLab Sourcing and then go to Team Drop here and make a free account and source any product you want, get it shipped all over the world. You can sync this to your Shopify store. And yeah, this is exactly what I'm doing for my stores right now. The ones that we're doing this like lean branded MVP Shopify model is kind of what I call it, but it's basically drop shipping, but with a brand angle. And that's kind of why I mentioned this sort of marketplace idea, because through the collective app on Shopify, you can actually add brands, maybe not JBL, but other cool brands that, might be interesting. So yeah, that's this market. I found it quite interesting. I want to know what you think. Have you been exploring this market? Oh, actually, one more thing too I want to mention. So on Ads Library, we can see AutoCast. I scrolled to some of their, very old ads, or not very old, but like from almost 30 days ago, because you know that these ads are performing well.
Checking on
And I saw another idea here
your baby
that I thought
like
was pretty
this?
good. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to show you this one as well. So AutoCast is making some pretty interesting products.
Are you checking on your baby like this? It's
Are
distracting.
you checking on your baby
You
like this?
have
It's
to try this.
distracting.
The AutoCast Smart CarPlay camera. Small, cute, and designed
Wow.
to be plug and play. Shaped just like a little owl. The box includes the camera and the connection adapter. And installation is super easy. Strap it to the headrest, plug in the USB, and you're set. Your car screen just became a baby monitor. Super clear picture.
That's pretty cool.
Don't worry about the dark. It has powerful infrared night vision. Plus, it supports split screen with navigation.
Yeah, so this is a big pain point for parents, is you want to check on your kid in the back, and you can't unless you have like a mirror. I have a mirror. I don't have this setup right here. I just have like a mirror where I can see her, which is a more simple solution, but this is pretty cool. And the reason I wanted to share this with you is because this is actually a really smart creative strategy approach, where you just go and look at competitors, like some of the best competitors in your market, and you just look at their winning ads that have been running for a decent amount of time, right? Because you know that these are performing well. We don't know for sure, but we can assume that this is a high performing ad.
Drive safe.
And we can copy the structure. We can take the angles. We can take, the font, even if we want. We can get inspiration from what's already working. And you can do this also on the Meta Ads library. They have over 110 different ads active. So yeah, if we scroll to like the bottom, we can see some of the ones that have been running for a while. And they're mainly for this dash cam that's for babies, so you can spy on your baby. Not spy on your baby, but you get what I mean. That is pretty interesting. That's a pretty interesting product, and I only found it by kind of diving deeper into the specific brand, which is really cool. I really like how this brand is positioned. Everything they do is super, super clean, and it seems like they're adopting AI into a lot of their products, which is also cool. So they're turning into this like hardware brand, which probably increases their valuation like crazy. So a lot of cool stuff in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'll answer any question that you have in the description, so don't be shy. And there's no question that I won't answer, so just ask me anything in there, whatever it is. And that's about it. Peace out.